Mate, this Prado is private property. Do you understand what I'm saying? Oh, and the fridge, mate. The angle's private as well. What are you doing snooping around in the back, mate? What? And all your mates as well, mate. They're all coming in here. Hey, you're all, what do you think this is? Trying to gang up on me? Mate, I got the chippies over here. Yeah. You can't have the chippies. Yeah. They're the best, aren't they? Yeah, they're Smitty's cheese and onion. Oh, I got them here, but you can't have any. You need to go find your own food. Yeah, you need to go find your own food. Hey, what are you trying to get into? Let's go and have a look, see what's going on around here. What are you? Oh, you found the biscuits. Oh, you found the biscuits. No, you can't have the biscuits. Come on. Oh, you're all here. You're trying to get the biscuits. All right, I better put the biscuits away. Oh, you like the Oz Prado, huh? Is that what it is? Huh? No, you just want the food, don't you? It's all right. See ya. Have a look at these three boys over here fighting over the chili. The chili? What do you mean? Let's see how they like chili. Well, what happened was there was a biscuit and there was some chili, and somebody accidentally dropped a fully loaded biscuit that's with smoking hot chili, right? And that's the one over on the right there. That's the one you're chewing in. You are mad. Look, so what we're about to see here is how much the boys like a bit of chili. So how is that? What do you reckon, dudes? You like a bit of spice? We'll use the one with the grass around. It's nicer, yeah. This is just a dust bowl. Sorry, we're just discussing which fire pit we're going to use. Yeah, bit of a video, mate, but it's, you know, it's just the boys chewing on chili. I just thought, you know, it's not like they're going to get a red head or anything, is it? Yeah, but you haven't heard that one before. They're still nibbling away. They don't mind a bit of chili, so there you go. They're almost fighting over it. There's a little bit left, come on. Come and get it, don't worry about me. Come on, get in there.